Hey everybody, it's Dave Ward coming to you from my home gym, also where I like to film videos because it's nice and quiet in here. And today we're going to do an unboxing of the BODi Essentials Collection, which is our new pack that has 20 servings of Energize and 20 servings of Shakeology in it. But before we do that, I want to just run through some quick math with you and hopefully show you a way that if you're an existing subscriber, you can actually save a ton of money and get an incredible value. And I'll just do that by telling you my own personal story. So I noticed that my annual subscription, I've been a subscriber for years. I've been with the company since 2007. That surfboard is from 2010. I've been a subscriber for a long, long time, okay? And I noticed that my subscription was gonna renew, and I'm on the annual subscription, which costs $179 per year. So I started thinking to myself, how can I get a little bit more bang for my buck out of what I'm paying? Which is what led me to the Essentials Pack. So the Essentials Pack has that same $179 annual membership. It's got 20 servings of Shakeology, which I take every day, and 20 servings of Energize, which I take on days that I work out, and a few other goodies I'll show you in a minute. This pack retails normally for $219. I found a promo code that takes $20 off of that. Now that promo code is only good for a limited amount of time. So if you're watching this video and you want to take advantage of that, please get a hold of me as quickly as possible. The other thing I want to highlight you, if you are an existing subscriber, is you may not be on that annual subscription. Just recently, we launched a monthly subscription for $35 a month. That, if you just did it, for 2 months out of the year, great, you're taking advantage of that. But if you paid for a whole year of that subscription, it's going to cost you $420. For the same thing I'm paying $179 for, I just don't want to see you pay that much money for something that you get at a much lower price. There's also a 3-month membership that's $89 every quarter. That works out to $356 per year. And then there's a 6-month membership that is $119 billed twice a year. That is $238, which is more expensive than this pack, which has more stuff. Okay, so I wanted to show you the pack now, but before I did, I just wanted to highlight to you this math. You should be able to get this for $200. Okay, now again, limited time. It's $219 is the retail on it, and that's the price you'll see when you go to the website. But reach out to your buddy, and I may be able to help you. Okay, first, let's just take a look at the box, which I think is really slick. The box is actually like more than a box. It's actually like a little carrying case, which I just think is cool. It's not like, an Amazon box that's filled with, those little air pocket things that you just end up throwing away and are super wasteful. Let's see what's in the box. So first thing, we've got some information about Shakeology. This is also a 30-day tracker for Shakeology. Make sure I'm holding that up right. This is a 30-day tracker for Shakeology. Why do we want you to track Shakeology using for 30 days? Because everything in this box, in fact, everything BODi offers has a love it or leave it 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not working for you, I don't want you paying for it. And I'm just going to be upfront with that. If you don't like it, if you don't like the way it tastes, you don't like the way it makes you feel, and that's not just the Shakeology, that's the Energize as well, and as well as the BODi subscription if you're new, if you don't like it, please let me help you return it, okay? I don't want people using stuff, paying for stuff that they're not using, rather. Okay, next thing, this is a QR code here that links to the Essentials Guide, which is a digital document that's going to walk you through the BODi subscription if you're new, talk to you about things like the BODi blocks and super blocks and some of the different workout programs we have, help you get into the workout program that's right for you, again, if you're new, and also talk to you about the 2 different nutrition programs we have. On that point, this is the My Tracker book. This is from the BODi Mindset, which is one of the 2 nutrition plans we have. As I kind of think about them, this one is a little more touchy-feely, okay? Portion Fix is the other one, and these are the containers that come with your Total Solution Pack, this Essentials Collection. These are essentially just measuring cups, okay? So you could just use regular measuring cups, but these are color-coded to correspond to veggies and proteins and fats and carbs, things like that, so that you know how much to consume. This one is very structured. Some people really love the structure. I know people who have gotten great results with both. BODi Mindset, a little more touchy-feely, and a little more wiggle room, I guess, is the way I would say it. I like them both. For me, BODi Mindset works better. What else do we have in here? We have a shaker cup. something that everybody should have a lot of, and I do. We have 20 servings of Energize. This is the strawberry lemonade flavor. Strawberry lemonade is my favorite. I drank lemon for years, and when they came out with strawberry lemonade, I tried that, and I think it is amazing. It is by far my favorite. 20 servings, individual packets, so if you're on the go, that's rather handy. Stay. Last but not least, 20 servings of Shakeology. This is the chocolate. I call it chocolate vegan. You can call it plant-based because that's what it is. I have a choice of chocolate or vanilla. Everybody knows whether you're a chocolate person, you're a vanilla person. I drink mine with a little ice, some fruit, either some frozen blueberries, banana, maybe some fresh strawberries, papaya, something we like. We have guava trees in our yard. I'm just looking at them out here. And so we use a lot of guava, but I like it with a little bit of fruit, not a ton, some almond milk, and some ice. Super, super simple. The normal bag of Shakeology is 30 servings. And basically what was happening is people just weren't drinking it every day, which I think is a shame. That's what I do. I have it every day, even when I'm traveling. My wife and I have a Sprinter conversion van, and we bought a little blender for it so that we could drink Shakeology when we're on the road. But not everybody does that, and some people were just not drinking it every day, and then they were having a surplus at the end of the month. So we did some surveys, and we found that 20 servings seemed to be the sweet spot. I know 20 servings is definitely the sweet spot for Energize. I don't work out every day. I do a lot of different stuff. I'm a surfer. Ski season's coming up. I'm an active person. I ride my bike. I will take Energize when I ride my bike. But I don't work out every day. I like to take some recovery days. I'm in my 50s now, so recovery day is important. And on the days I don't work out, I typically don't take Energize. But on the days that I do, which would be somewhere in the range of 20 days a month, Energize is my go-to. So that is the Essentials Pack. That's all the goodies that's in there. Those are the deals that are available. So if you have questions about any of this stuff, if you're wondering what type of membership I'm on, hopefully you're one of my customers. If you're not, I can easily walk you through how to just look at that information, though. It's really easy to find just on the Team Beachbody website. Let's see if we can save you some money and get you into a program that's going to help you move towards your goals. So with that, I look forward to hearing from you.